Hey guys, it's Tanay here. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I will be reviewing the new CoverGirl TruBlend Matte Made Foundation. And this foundation comes in 40 shades. It's been out for maybe like a month or so. I'm kind of behind on recording videos, but better late than never. So if you want to hear my thoughts on this foundation, then go ahead and keep watching. But before I get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, and see you guys at the end of the video. Bye. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in so you can really see how this foundation looks and how the color looks on my skin. And I got the color D70. I got this from Walmart and it was like $7 and some change. So on the website, it doesn't say whether the foundations are neutral undertones, red undertones, yellow undertones, golden, whatever. But in Walmart, like on the display, it does say like neutral undertone for this one. So to me, I think that's probably the only way you'll be able to find out what undertone it is when you actually go into the store and you see the display. So I already primed my face with my Angel Veils primer by NYX. I'm just going to shake this up and we're going to get started. So this foundation is matte, and on here it just says comfort matte finish, oil free formula. It has a pump, which is really good, and transfer resistant. And again, this is the color D70 Cappuccino. So just looking at it like this, you can already tell that it's gonna match. I don't know why, but I like this color. Like when I just like, it looks like it's just gonna blend in so good. Look at that, that blended in so good. And I didn't know which color to get. I was going between D70 and D80. And I just was like, I'll get D70. And if this was too light, then I would go to D80. But this, as you can see, is like perfect. So this is what the foundation looks like. So on the website, it does say that it controls oil, it's pore minimizing, and it's supposed to be up to 12 hours of wear. So we shall see. Right now, my pores don't look bad at all. It did minimize them from what I can see. I'm going to continue with my NYX HD concealer. Just do a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and do my normal routine that I do in like all of my videos. I'm gonna do a little light beat, so nothing real heavy, because I really want to see how the foundation wears. So I'm not gonna put like too much makeup on. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this concealer. I'll put my powder on and give you guys my thoughts on how everything blended and how I like the foundation so far. Okay guys, so I just set my face with my Laura Mercier powder as always, and I'm going to go ahead and bronze up my face. I'm not doing a contour, really like makeup today. Just doing like this, and so far everything looks good. The only complaint that I would have is when I put the concealer, I don't know, it's like the concealer layered on top, like kind of weird. And I wore this foundation one other time before, actually 2 other times before, and the first time the concealer, like I think I used, it was either Tarte Shape Tape or the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. And I know I used like one of each with it before, but I can't remember which one. The concealer kind of like under the eye, which I don't know if it's just me or if I'm just seeing, but like kind of like right here underneath here, it kind of looks like that it like separated or something. I can't really explain it, but that's like the only thing that I have to say about this foundation right now. I mean, it looks great, but it's just something, I don't think you guys can see it, but it's like right here, it just looks like the concealer came off or something. Like, I don't even know how to explain, but I can tell. I mean, it's not real noticeable, it's not real bad, but when you do your makeup all the time, you can tell like when something is off. And I'm also not gonna do any eyeshadow. I'm just gonna do a little liner. That's it. And of course, I'm using my Beauty Bakery palette, and like I hit pan in the bronzer, but I love this palette. For eyeliner, I'm gonna use my NYX matte liquid liner, and what I like to do with this, because this wand is like so flimsy, like I like the wand of my Lancome eyeliner, which is like, it's not all the way dried out, but it's not as pigmented anymore. So what I like to do, because this is like real stiff, this is what type of liner I like to use, but I like the formula of this, so I just take the Lancome and I just put the product from the NYX on it. And I like my eyes. Okay guys, so this is what my face looks like after I put powder, blush, bronzer, highlight on, and my face looks pretty good. I got powder on, so it's not sticky. I didn't feel my face after I put the foundation on before powder, so I don't know if it was sticky then. My pores still do look minimized. The only thing, like, I don't know, but underneath my eyes, it could just be me, but underneath my eyes, like, I don't know, it just looked like the concealer did not stay on or something. I don't know if it's foundation, the concealer, maybe the sponge picked a lot of product up. I don't know, but that's my only concern that I have right now. Like I said, but before I used this foundation with a different concealer and it kind of did the same thing. But the second time I used it, it didn't do it. So I don't know, maybe you have to pair this foundation with a certain concealer. But besides that, like, everything else looks really flawless. It's not heavy, it doesn't look cakey. As far as transfer resistant, I'm not sure. You can tell right now. Tissue got stuck on my face, but nothing came off on the paper towel, so it's possible. So the only thing now, just have to see how long this will last and how long after I've been wearing it I get oily. I didn't put any setting spray on. I'm not going to put any setting spray on. I just want to see how long that it lasts without putting setting spray on. Usually I put setting spray on when I'm going out or when I'm wearing makeup, period. But since they said it's supposed to last 12 hours and it controls oil, we're gonna really see if it does. This color match is pretty good. I'll definitely take pictures and insert them, and I'll come back and show you guys how my face looks after. See you later.